Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Kuject Large Crystal Clear Shoe Storage Box, a stackable and space-saving solution perfect for your closet or entryway. This innovative shoe organizer is fully transparent, offering a glass-like clarity that beautifully showcases the details and colors of your shoes, unlike traditional fuzzy mat organizers. With its effective storage solution, the stackable design maximizes vertical space, taking up only 0.825 square feet, so you can arrange them in any combination that suits your space. The sturdy, easy-to-assemble containers connect with an interlocking design, ensuring stability, and come with a helpful video and manual for quick setup. Not just for shoes, each box measures 13.2 inches long, 9 inches wide, and 5.5 inches high, accommodating up to US men's size 9 and women's size 10, and can also store hats, bags, and collectibles. The snap-on cover keeps your items dust-free and clean, while ventilation holes in the lids promote air circulation to prevent odors. Transform your shoe storage experience with the Kuject Shoe Storage Box, creating a neat and breathable shoe cabinet that meets all your organizational needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.